Welcome back, you dogs. On today's episode, we're back at Blackfern. We're going to be doing some digging, rebuilding the step up. Going to be making it way bigger. Yeah, got a bunch of boys coming. We'll get into it. Oh.
Yeah.
Get the mullet shake at the end.
I know I'm wearing my gym clothes.
Oh. Watch out. He gets bitten, falls over on the lip.
Did you just get bitten? Oh! It's fucking hurts, yeah. I got bitten up.
Oh no!
Can we use your boy torch now? We'll just light on the glass.
No.
I almost no! Just a one.
I love how you get bitten, fall over, and then run up the tree.
They're fucking everywhere. No.
Time for a smoko review. Hi guys. On today's smoko we got some spaghetti bolognese. Get a review on the dog.
Oh yeah.
It's pretty good.
Champagne ham and bread. Fuck, that's
Good.
Hi, Mupsy leading.
It's just a video. Or mukbang. 75 racing mukbang.
Bro, it's my bread. Imagine a day where we can just write what we build.
Alright, so it's a little bit lumpy still, but the dirt is just so wet, like it's so hard to shape. Yeah, so pretty happy with how it's turned out so far. The edges aren't too bad, it's just the mud sort of sliding down slowly, so I think I'm gonna wait for it to dry and then come back a bit later in the week, hopefully give it a bit of a pack in, clean up. Now we'll get into some work on stacking the landing, clearing out that, just dragging it up, get the dogs. Oh. First go. I'm gonna take it real chill because I don't even know where I'm going. My brother's running, huh?
Oh yeah.
That felt really bad on the shark fin. Alright, we're gonna see if we can possibly do this on the Deej. Oh! Just do it.
Well, if you feel confident, yeah.
Well, I can't, like, on this thing, there's either do it or don't.
You can't slow down.
Yes. Alright.
You got it.
Oh, Owen's calling. Hello.
Yo, how's it going?
Ah, good, we got it done.
Done?
Yeah.
What are you guys doing now?
I may see ya.
All good, see
Bye.
ya. Bye.
Ah! Alright, I know that's doable. Oh, god damn it. Please stop. Gong! Smooth tread at least. Ah! Having to roll in for the big dog. That's gonna be scarily big. No, that was always like that. No. Oh, the wood. Oh. A piece of wood behind your tire. Mint. So sick. Absolutely frothing. That's it for this week's video. Super stoked on finishing the step up in a day. Yeah, get the dogs. Thanks for watching. Oh!